Hey everybody, it's 1:37 and 8 seconds on October 11th. This is the drawing for the Iron Man number 1. Over here on the left are the 21 filled spots. Stuart, I vouch for you, so please pay me when you get a chance for your spot number 13. I just got to get this wrong. I got to get to a work appointment. So, the number is 11. Going to randomize 11 times, name at the top of the list. We'll get the book. It will ship out tomorrow, October 12th. Best of luck, everybody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is the final one. 11, spot 6, Jeff Lewis. He wanted it badly. He bought about half the spots. Congratulations, Jeff. Time is 1:38 and 6